Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, chocolate color, orange color, blue color, red color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Square, heart, circle, hexagon, star and pentagon. Now let's draw the shapes. Square, next heart, next circle, next hexagon, next star, next pentagon. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, square, red color, heart, next blue color, circle, next chocolate color, hexagon, next orange color, star, next pink color, pentagon. What we learn? We learn green color, square, red color, heart, blue color, circle, chocolate color, hexagon, orange color, star, pink color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.